Welcome, dear students. So let's discuss the problem that I have given you in summer holiday homework. I have given to even roll number the work that they have to draw plus sign on the stage. Now let's see how we can draw the plus sign. First, we will open the Scratch interface. Now, we are very much familiar with the Scratch interface. So let's first discuss that how can we make the plus sign on the stage. Now here you can see, you know very well that if I want to draw any line, for that I am going to use the pen instructions. The instructions contained inside the pen block. Here this is the pen block. If you are not having pen block, then you can add it. From here you can add the pen block. Now you can see on the screen that there is the pen block. Here we are having this pen down instruction. Now I told you that whenever we want to create a new program, we want to make a new program, then we have to add one more instruction before the program, and that is the when flag click. Whenever we are going to start a program, this should be the first instruction. So when flag click, after that I'm going to use the pen down command. As I told you that if I want to draw any line on the stage, so to draw any line we need two instruction. One is the pen down instruction and second is the move instruction. Pen down means we will keep our pen here, and after that we have to move our pen. Now to move the pen we need one more instruction, and that is the move instruction. So here on the Scratch interface we can see that after the pen down command we are going to motion block. Here we are having move instruction, and we can change the number here, and we will change it by 100. Now let's see what will happen. Now this is the instruction that we will make the line. Now we want to make a vertical line also here. So how we will make that line? Now we will go to the pen block. This time we are going to change the color of the pen so that we easily come to know that if for example if I have taken the blue color for the horizontal line, then I will take some yellow or green color to draw this vertical line. Now what we have done, we have simply created a simple horizontal line. Now what we will do to make a vertical line? Now we know that after making the line, our sprite is here. Okay, now what we will do, we will move our sprite back to the mid of the line. After moving the line, we can easily draw the vertical line over the horizontal line. Okay, now see how we can do this. Now for example, again I'm going to make a horizontal line. Now you can see that your line is not straight because here the direction is not up to the mark. So we will make the direction to 90 degrees so that our sprite becomes straight. Now see, then this time line is straight. Now we are having so many lines on the stage. So if we want to make every time whenever I click the green flag, we want that every time whenever I click the green flag, our stage should be clear. So for that we will use erase all instruction, and we will keep this instruction after the when flag click. The reason for this is whenever we will click the flag to run the program, always it will it remove all the previous outputs from the stage. So now this time we will join these instructions. Now let us see. Keep your sprite here. We will click on the green flag. Now you can see this is a very light line, so you can change the size of the pen also. Here this is the pen. After erase instruction, we will change the size of the pen. One is very less, so we will change it by 3. Now see. Now you can see by using the erase instruction, the previous line get erased, and when I change the size of the pen to 3, the line becomes thick. Okay, so again, now see, this is how the line can be made thick and make it more clear. Okay, now we were discussing these things that for example, if I want to make a plus sign, then for this we have drawn the horizontal line. So our next step would be that we will make the sprite move from this point to the mid of this line. Now how we will do this? For this we have for example, I make it a very long line, not very long, but greater, the size should be more than this. Now you can see the size is more than the steps is are more than the previous one. So here is the sprite. Okay, now what we want that sprite go back to the mid of the line. So for that we will move the sprite back. So for this what we will use, again we will use the move instruction. And move instruction, if I want to go back, for that I will use minus how many steps I want to go back, up to half of the line. So if I have taken this 200, this time I will take 100. Okay, now let's see once again. Now you can see that this time our sprite is at the mid of the line. Now what we want that our sprite should move up. Now to move it up, we will change its direction. So we will go to the motion block. Here there is the point in direction instruction. Now what we want to move it up. So we will make this direction, we will change the direction to 0. Now after changing the direction, what we want that it should move up. To move up and to draw the line, again we will use the same instruction, pen down instruction and move instruction. Again, how many steps we want? Because we have to draw the same line, so I will take half step up and half step down. So again here the value will be 100. Okay, now one more thing that I want, that this time the line should be of different color. For example, it's your wish that if you want to change the color of the line, then you can change, otherwise it may be the same. Okay, now what we will do, we go back to the pen block. Here we will change the pen color. We will set the pen color to red color. Now here what we have what is actually happening here. Now this time the direction of the sprite is up, so first we will move the direction it to the 90 degree, and now this time I will make this plus. Now you can see that here we have drawn a red color line half up. Now same line we want to draw here. So now the sprite is here and we want to cover this plus the same line we have to draw below this horizontal line. So for this we will move our sprite 200 steps so that it makes a plus line. So how we will do, what we will do, now we have moved the 100 steps. This time I want that a sprite go down. So we will change the direction, point in direction, we will change it to the down. This time the sprite will go down and then we will draw the line. To draw the line, again pen down command, and along with this command we are going to use move. Here value of the move command is 200. Now here change the direction to 90 degree first, and then you can see here that we have drawn the line. So whenever we want that our sprite should be up or down, then for that we are going to use point in direction. And to draw the line, we know very well that there are two commands. One is the pen down and other is the move instruction. Along with these two instructions, we can make a line. I hope that it will be clear to you. Thank you.